Okay, so I'm at google.com at the moment, and today's video is going to be about Scratch. So you can search Scratch, or you can type in scratch.mit.edu into your search bar. And you're going to get the main screen, but I'm signed in, so 1 second. So this is the actual main screen for Scratch. Here is like a video. It'll show you the basic intro to what Scratch is and what it's going to be teaching you and what you can do with it. So you can tell you're going to be making little clips and little animations, and it's pretty fun. So scrolling down, you see there's featured projects, featured studios, projects curated by Heaven Brand, that's some random person. You can create a planet, I guess. What the community is remixing and what the community is loving. Okay, so here's your main menu, and you can join up by typing in your username, password. They're probably going to ask you about your email so that you can click confirm that you have signed up, and they're also going to ask you about your birthday. I don't know why they did, but they're going to do that anyways. And so they're going to send you an email, you confirm it, and then you can sign in. Not now. Okay, so here's your main page. And then you can go to the S, and that's basically your stuff, your new projects and shared projects. My stuff, manage projects and studios, and there's also messages for updates and notices. And there is your main menu for profile, my stuff, account settings, and sign out. So at the moment I don't have any messages. So there are those categories at the top, and I clicked on create, and this is basically where you make your new little animations. And then there's explore with projects and studios. And then you can sort by, and yeah. There's also discuss, and that's, I guess, announcements and making Scratch projects. Oh, also help. Help, this is the best place. This gives you like a try out the step-by-step intro, explore these starter projects, and watch the getting started video. This will tell you the basic of how to. So I'm going to do it step by step in this tutorial, just to show you the basics of this video. So we're going to start moving. So drag a move block into the scripts area. So I'm already in motion. I'm going to drag the move 10 steps. Then click on that block to make the cat move. So as you can tell, it's actually working. Okay, then going to sound. So I'm going to drag out a play drum block and snap it onto the move block. Click and listen, make sure your computer speakers are on. Okay, I'm not going to really play this for you, but it should be working. Alright, next, Starry Dance. Add another move block, click inside the block and type in a minus sign. Okay, so I'm assuming that's maybe stepping back? I don't know, we'll see. And then add another play drum block, then choose a drum from the pull down menu. So let me just go ahead and put the minus sign. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my play drum block. So go to sounds, play drum block, drag it. So you can also drag it into the open area, but basically you should probably drag it right under it where there's a white highlighted line so you know that it's connected. And then you can click on it to run everything. So yeah, they went forward and backwards. Okay, so next is again and again. Okay, so drag out a repeat block and drop it on the top of the stack. You want the mouth of the repeat to wrap around the other blocks. So there you can like choose what area you want it in, but we want it in the whole thing. So I'm going to do it in the whole thing. Okay, and then click to run the stack. So I'm going to click on it. There goes my cat. Okay, so next thing, say something. So we can click looks and drag out a say. Okay, so it's the automatic says hello, but then they say at the bottom type in the block to change the words. So we're going to change it to watch me dance. Perfect. Okay, and now then snap it on the top of the stack. Click on the stack to run. So I'm going to put it right there. Click on it. I'm going to Okay, so you click on it, and it says watch me dance. There it goes. Very fun. Oh, also that is the start and stop buttons. So you can click the green flag to start and the red stop sign to stop. Oh, and there it says. Your script will start whenever you click the green flag. So we also want to command it to tell the script that you need to put a green flag and it'll start when the green flag starts. So we had to place the when the green flag clicked, and then it will play all of it. You can stop it anytime you want. Okay, so next. Change color. So now try something different. Drag out a change effect block. So we're going to go to looks, and we're going to go to change color effect by 25. Okay, so I'm going to place that on the outside just like they did. That way you can like place anything on top of it or under it, and then you can place it all in the final script once you're finished. So by clicking on change color, I am changing the color right now. It's red, orange, green, green, blue, blue, purple, pink, red. I like red, so I'm going to keep red. Okay, so snap on when key pressed. So when space key pressed. They say space key, but I kind of like the down arrow, so I'm going to go to down arrow. And so you can't see, but I'm clicking on the down arrow and it's changing the colors. Pretty awesome. Okay, and yeah, like they said right arrow, but I said down arrow. Okay, so the next thing, add a backdrop. You can add a new backdrops on the stage. This is your sprite. Your sprite is basically your character. And then next to it is going to be new backdrop, and that's all the way over here. So they basically showed you the same thing. Okay. So I'm going to click on my backdrops. All this is all the way over here. So they show you kind of picture for picture. Now, wow, they have a lot of options. Now you're going to choose your options. So, how about, we'll do the desert. Okay. Awesome. There you go. There's our sprite. Okay. I guess, oh, I guess that is like parallel to your main screen. So you can move your sprite around anywhere you want. Okay, so we're going to continue. Each object's called sprite, and I guess we're going to add a new one. So going through all these options. Wow, that is a lot of options. Bitman, vector. So I think I should just go and do an animal, just like the cat. But let's give it a friend like a dog. Typical dog. Okay. And there's our dog. Awesome. Okay. So now this is your script area, and you can start putting new motions and etc. in your script area. Choose sound, record your own, import a file. Then click scripts and drag play sound block. Choose the sound you want from the menu, click the play, click the costumes, see the sprites costumes. Click sprites and make a script that switches between costumes as so. So we're going to go to control, put forever. Looks is costume. And then back to control and wait 1 second. And then there you go. I clicked it and I don't know if you can tell, but the dog is moving. So that's pretty cool. It's changing costumes. So I guess changing costumes in this case is more of changing motion than actual costume. I don't think they have actual costumes on this. Okay, and then you can also share your project. So you can type a title for your project up here. So let's call it Dance Show. Then you can click See Project Page. It'll take you to its page, and you can put notes and credits. So we can say I used 2 characters and I added movement to the cat and dog. You can also put instructions, but right, you can press the down arrow to change the color of the cat. Okay, perfect. You can share. And I guess my movie has been shared. That easy. You can watch it. And as I'm watching it, I'm pressing the down arrow and it's changing its colors. So that's pretty cool.